Today we are going to solve a question of GATE Chemistry 2019. The question given to us is an organic question, which is that it has asked us for the major product of this reaction. Now, let us see how this reaction would take place. Let me draw the compound first. This is the compound given to us. And there is a hydrogen which is reacted with acetic acid. Now, this would dissociate at this and H plus when this reaction is taking place. Now we can see something interesting, such as when these compounds are reacted, then the intermediate step would form something like this, where there is a formation of a carbocation. That means there is a carbocation formation right over here. So once there is a carbocation formation, there is this nucleophile which will be attacking at this position, and once there is an attack at this position over here, the major product formed would look something like this. So what we can see from here is that there is a retention of configuration. That means that this reaction is following an SN-I reaction. That means there is an internal retention of configuration. Now, this tells us that the correct option for this question is option B, that there is, after this reaction there is a retention of configuration and it forms this compound. Now, if you have any queries regarding this question, please contact us on www.sorosarclasses.com. Thank you.